Throughout time, I have watched over this planet, Earth, from one era to another. The humans have kept a careful eye on their environment until now. The humans have become careless. They've only worked to earn their own personal gain and have not taken into account the terrors that their actions would bring. I have gathered 4 warriors. Four beings that are worthy. Worthy of change.
Are we all here for the same reason?
I think so. We have to go in there, don't we?
What's the worst that could happen?
Good point. Who is this? What's that? It's me. It's me. Oh, okay. Where are we? I don't know. How did we get here? Hey, guys, over here.
Wait. Where's...
Guys, where are we? And what is that?
Guys!
What was that?
You were chosen. The Earth is ending because of humans. Your planet is dying. Since the beginning of time, your world has had a shield, the ozone. Human actions have been destroying it. You 4 have to put an end to it before the sun heats the Earth to the point of extinction.
So you're gonna up and leave?
I have to do this.
Never thought I'd ever mean that much to the world.
Are you kidding me? Do you not know how much it matters?
You are the next generation. You can save the world. You have to.